Hello, my name is John D. from Carl's Buick GMC. I just want to shoot you a real quick video of just off the truck 2017 Buick Cascada. This is a new model. It's called a Sport Touring Edition. Has the new rims and a few other new features. It does come equipped with remote start. Start your Cascada up 200 feet away with the key fob or anywhere you have cell phone service with the free remote link act. Front and rear park assist along with backup camera. Also does come equipped with Wi-Fi, which you'll hear. Power locks, power windows, power driver's seat. Excuse me, it just came off the truck. It does have this red stitching for the Sport Touring model. And the new pedals. And when you start your Cascada up, you still need to turn the key to make it do anything else. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, front end collision alert. Also has lane departure warning. Navigation.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode, connected by OnStar's high-speed 4G connection. Press the blue OnStar button to learn more.
That's to let you know this vehicle does come equipped with Wi-Fi from OnStar. Turn the radio on so you can see the nav. Navigation, backup camera, USB port, of course Bluetooth and cruise control. But the most impressive thing is the one finger touch for the convertible top and the amount of time that it takes. Give me a call at 772-287-2424. Hi, this is John D. from Carl's Buick GMC. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Please feel free to give me a call, email, or even text me with any questions you may have. And when you come in, please ask for me, John D. Thank you.